In this video, we'll explore how to remove a green screen using CapCut and insert your video into any frame, just like this video. It's surprisingly straightforward to eliminate the green screen from a video and generate exciting projects. So, let's dive right in. Begin by opening the CapCut application. You need two videos. First video you want to insert, and second frame video with green screen part. I have two distinct videos. The first one is a green screen laptop inside a room, which I sourced from pixels.com. This method is effective for any green screen footage. The second video, which I'll use as my backdrop, features a dancing woman. The initial step involves importing your background video. Ensure it's positioned on the first track in your timeline. The background video should always precede the green screen clip. After positioning the background video, now add the frame video. For effective green screen removal in CapCut, it's crucial that the green screen video is layered above the background video. So your green screen footage will be on the second track, directly above the sunset video on the first track. In order to do that, tap on the Overlay button, then Add Overlay, choose the green screen video and add to the overlay track. Now zoom in the overlay video to fit the screen size. Next, select the green screen video on your timeline. This action will display several options on the right side of your screen. Ensure you have the video section selected, then tap on the Remove BG button. A menu with multiple options will appear, with chroma key being the foremost. Tap on it. Following that, you'll need the color picker tool. Select it, then drag it across the green portion of your video. You'll notice a circle around the color picker, indicating it's active. Simply click once on the green screen. Now the green screen has been removed. Just go ahead and adjust the size of the background video to fit the laptop screen. That's the complete process for removing green screens from your videos using CapCut and insert your video into any frame. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.